So one Acharya says that the gopis' earrings were dancing, Lola Kundala, not because they were running, not because of fear of superiors, not because of fear of Shivam and losing the body of their master Kamadev, but they were dancing because they were victorious in the battle of love. They were proclaiming, they were dancing that, yes, we will conquer Krishna in this battle of divine love. And when someone becomes victorious in some Olympic contest, usually they prance, it's called the prance, they prance around in victory. They jump around and dance around. I won, I'm number one. So the earrings were dancing to proclaim the gopis' victory over Krishna. Because this is one of the qualities, most beautiful quality of Bhagavan Sri Krishna in Vrindavan. It's called Prema Vasyata. Prema Vasyata means that Krishna, Vrindavan Sri Krishna, he is controlled by the love of his devotees. He's conquered and subjugated by the love of his devotees. And no one loves Krishna more, and no one surrenders to Krishna more, and no one is more absorbed in Krishna's pleasure at every moment in every possible way than the Braja Gopis. And most importantly and significantly, Srimati Radharani, Srimati Radhika. So they are time and again victorious over Krishna in love. So their earrings were dancing, we won, we won. Or they were dancing to proclaim, in tonight's Ras Leela, when we dance romantically under the full moon and enjoy intimately together in the kunjas of Vrindavan, we will be victorious. We will conquer Krishna and the intimacies of loving exchange as beloved and lover and beloved. So this is one reason that they're dancing as victory prance. That the gopis actually completely take over Krishna's heart. Total conquest. How so? How are the gopis so invincible? How are they so powerful in conquering Krishna? It's because of their incredible beauty and charm and sweetness and their unbelievable or inconceivable dedication, their surrender, and the purity of their love. As we mentioned, the gopis become so absorbed in Krishna, they forget themselves. They become self-forgetful. Yashoda remembers that she's Yashoda, and she remembers that Krishna is her Lala, and she remembers that Krishna is my son, and so does Nanda Baba. But of all the Brijvasis, lovers of Krishna, the mothers and fathers, the friends, the gopas and gopis, or the servants, no one really shows this quality of self-forgetfulness. This is a unique attribute and lakshana of the Braja Gopis. They no longer have a self. Who am I? I don't know. Even sometimes they're so absorbed in serving Krishna in their memory and in smaran, remembering Krishna's lila, that they become Krishna. I'm no longer Radha. I'm no longer Lalita. I'm no longer anyone. I'm Krishna. See, just look how I walk. See my gait. I am Krishna. See how I play the flute, and I start playing flute like Krishna. They become totally one with Krishna and completely forget their other identity as Radhika or some other gopi. We never hear that Mother Yashoda forgets that she's his mother and starts saying, I am Lala, I am Nandalal. Just see how I kill these demons. But the gopis do. So this is the intensity of their love, that they're able to totally conquer Krishna, Prem Vasyata, because their every word, their every thought, their every deed is totally absorbed in Krishna to the point that they lose themselves. One gopi, Radhika, she even says that I have no concern. I've lost all conception of myself. I've lost all interest in my own I have no self-interest. My happiness or my distress, it's irrelevant. I don't have any connection with it. Radharani offers one prayer where she says, if Krishna, if my Krishna Kanta, my beloved Lord, my Priyatam Sham, my Krishna, if he finds pleasure in making me unhappy, then I consider that unhappiness that I will endure or experience is the cause of my greatest happiness. This is an extraordinary extent of surrender and submission and dedication and immaculate divine love. Oh, Krishna is enjoying ignoring me or neglecting me or running with some other gopi or being with some other gopi or even making me so unhappy. Okay, let it be. What do I care? I've forgotten all about my own happiness. I've forgotten about my own peace of mind or concern. If he finds happiness and make me unhappy, then that unhappiness becomes the greatest happiness for me. There is no one in this world who could think or feel like this. We never forget number one. Us, me, I, me, mine. But Radharani's I is Krishna, her me is Krishna, her mine is Krishna. I, Krishna, I, me, mine. Krishna. Well, what about you? You're Radharani, you're Vrishabhanu Nandini, you're Vrindavaneshwari, you're the crest jewel of all the Sakhis. Yeah, I don't know. I forgot all that. I only know Krishna. The very extraordinary display of divine love in the gopis. So this is the basic understanding of this verse. The Shamya Gitam Tarananga Vardhanam Brajastriya Krishna Grihita Manasa Ajagmaran Yonyam Alakshito Dhyama Sayatra Kanto Javalola Kundala